Hello beautiful makeup lovers, my name is Caroline. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I have an unboxing from Dior. I will be sharing with you some limited edition items I purchased. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Hit the little notification bell so you get notified every time I upload videos like this. And follow me on social media, Instagram, CV Makeup Lovers. Without further ado, let's get started. This is the box where my items came in. I'm gonna open it and oops, let's see how we do this on camera. Then I opened it already, but it has the standard seal, CD, and then inside are my items, my 4 items. And let me talk to you a little bit about the items I purchased. This is a limited edition collection, and in this collection, Peter Phillips designed 4 palette eyeshadows with 3 colors, Trio Oblique collection. In this collection, he offers 3 colors eyeshadows with sparkling, matte, and shimmery effect. From the 4 eyeshadow palettes, I only got 3. He has different colors with different effects, but the reason I didn't get one of them is because it wasn't black. Those colors I don't really wear very often, and when I make purchases, I like to be happy with them. I like to know that I'm going to wear them, and I didn't really see the need for me to get that one. Probably change my mind in the future, but so far, not really. Then, I also got my the Dior Skin Nude Luminizer blush. This one I ordered of Saks.com, and they send, it comes in 2 colors, by the way. It comes in kind of purple and this peach color, but they sent me the wrong color, and I was disappointed. I didn't want to order it, but then when I purchased my order on Dior.com, I saw it and I went for it. Here it is, beautiful color. Here we go with the eyeshadows, and this one is in color Rosy Canvas, and isn't this beautiful? It goes from the lightest to the darkest shade. Then we go for Coral Canvas, absolutely beautiful. And the last one is this beautiful brown earthy canvas. Here is the color. It comes with the standard applicators, here they are. The standard pouch. Let me show you swatches of this palette so you see how they look on my skin. Here you have the colors. You got the 3 palettes along with the blush swatch. If you look at this palette, you can notice the letters inscribed on the powder, Christian Dior, and here you spell Dior, D-I-O-R. Those are the letters you see on each palette. Now, I thought that these 2 browns were the same. No, this one is a cooler tone of brown right here, while this one is lighter, warmer, more chocolate. And with the blush, this Luminizer, it's more like very soft. And the whole formula really reminds me to Natasha Denona. This one right here, it's absolutely beautiful. Again, it has the same print on the powder, Christian Dior. And the spell Dior right here. Absolutely beautiful. Now that you saw swatches of the palettes, I decided that I will use this palette, which is Coral Canvas, and my face has been already prepped. I use the Dior Backstage Foundation, these 2 colors in 4W and 4.5W. I have to mix them for them to look right on my face, and I use the new 00 Universal Backstage Primer. Very good. I really like it. That's all I have on my face now. We are ready to start this look with this eyeshadow. I'm gonna go with my reference brush. I'll go into that orangey color on the eyelid of my eye. And these colors are described metallic, sparkly, and matte. I will leave everything I use on my face on a description box for your convenience. Now with my Sonia G Builder Pro, I will go into the darkest shade, which is matte. It's a very, very brown matte, and go into the outer corner of my eyes. And oh boy, yes, it is matte and intense. I like it. It's pigmented. Beautiful, very blendable eyeshadows. It's really easy to work with these eyeshadows. If you don't like mattes, this is a good eyeshadow. Makes it very simple, just 3 colors. And the quality of these kind of shadows is so good. With my Sonia G, and this one is crease 1, I will go into my crease with a dark matte brown and add a little bit more so I get more depth. Now with the same color, I'm gonna go with a pencil brush and do the same thing on my bottom lashes. Intensify it so the look is really a beautiful, beautiful matte brown. Now going into the middle color, I will apply that color right on my brow bone. And this is a Hakuhodo 7135 brush. Great to illuminate your brow bone. Perfect. It's very soft. Now with a reference brush, back into that light color, I will apply this color onto my inner corner, to the inner corner of my eyes. It's beautiful. I'm really enjoying this palette. Now, eyeliner. And for that, I will use my Tom Ford. This is a double-sided eyeliner. I need a mirror. Now that we're done with our eyeliner, we're going to tie line our eyelashes, or I will. If I don't do this step, then you can see the little gaps between my eyelashes, and that's a no-no. Now I will clean up a little bit right here for the eyeshadow that I don't want, because I want my eye look to be more sharp. For mascara, I will use the usual. We'll start with the Dior Maximizer. Followed by my Dior Show Mascara. Now that I finished with my eyes completely, I will go into this beautiful peach blush and apply it to the high points of my cheeks with a refer brush. Oh, the scent is beautiful. And for what I see, I don't really need highlighter with this. By the way, I use this beautiful Guerlain terracotta bronzer. I thought it would be more shimmery, but it's not. I still can apply my highlighter, which I don't really like to use it before my blush. But anyways, it's been done. I will use the Dior Nude Luminizer in number 04. And I will use the Wayne Goss fan brush. The bridge of my nose, the highest points of my cheeks. This is my favorite part of doing my makeup. On my Cupid's bow. Wipe my lips because I'm wearing one of these Dior Added Lip Glow, and this is absolutely great for dry, cracked lips. It's like it moisturizes your lips at the same time. It adds color. It's perfect. This is MAC Chicory. Now with my Yves Saint Laurent, in number 29, this is the Rouge Veloute Shine. I'll apply it to my lips. And the last step after I finish with my blush and highlighter will be my Air Flash, which I'm going to spray all over my face so I can set all those fine powders. Okay. And this is the look I came out with. I really like it. This is a beautiful palette. Very versatile. And like everything Dior, it's elegant. I can describe it as something very, very elegant because it's just beautiful. The colors I think are suitable for any skin tone and all year round. I would personally wear these colors all year round and I love it. Now this blush really surprised me because I was a little bit intimidated when I saw it. I thought it was going to be very, very intense, that with one stroke of my brush I would be like, whoa. But no, you can slowly build it and create intensity because it's really very finely milled and very soft. And must have for the summer. It's beautiful. Now, please stay tuned because I'm gonna come out with a series of looks with these 3 eyeshadow palettes. This is one of them. And I love to do this kind of videos because they are like sequence, and after that I can create more looks. And with this, I have finished my video. I really hope you enjoy it. Like I mentioned before, I will leave everything linked down below. Let me know if you have one of these palettes, if you're planning on getting one, or which one is your favorite from the 3 I show. And if you're thinking about getting this particular Luminizer, it's very, very beautiful. I highly recommend it. And this is it. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Thanks.